Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Coinbase wallet address. To find Coinbase wallet address for different cryptocurrencies, first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open a web browser and then type in coinbase.com in the URL box. Also make sure to sign into your Coinbase account by entering your login credentials. Once you're signed into your Coinbase account, go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile picture. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Profile, then navigate to the Crypto Addresses option. In some interface, you might be able to see a Wallet tab, which will take you to your crypto addresses. If you see this kind of an interface, this is because you haven't verified your identity yet. Click on Verify Identity, and after you complete through the verifying identity process, you will be able to see a list of your supported cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Select the desired cryptocurrency from the list and you will be able to see options to display the QR code or copy the address. So that's how you will be able to find your wallet addresses on Coinbase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.